Hi guys, welcome! Take some time to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon to see our future content as soon as it's uploaded. Give us a like and enjoy the video. Hello guys, welcome to a new Zenbox video. It's been a while, but we are back with an unboxing and a first look at a new smartphone. We are unboxing A51 by Samsung. This is a rather new model and it was released in February 2020, at least here in Croatia. But officially it's out since December 2019. So without any more delay, let's move on. Like always, we'll start with the packaging. The front side of the box has an image of the phone and the big white A51 naming with Samsung branding on the left top corner. Left hand side of the box contains just the phone's name and Samsung's branding as well. The bottom portion of the box has all sorts of useful information, like serial number, model number, some basic specifications, certifications, and IMEIs, which will remain hidden for the obvious reasons. The bottom part of the box has information about the manufacturer and all sorts of different stuff in a bunch of different languages. Let's unbox this thing, and for that we'll need something sharp. Something like our trusty knife. First, we are going to cut through this seal, which gives us the indication the device is new and it wasn't used before. The top cover slides up quite easily, not giving much resistance at all, and inside of it there is a small white cardboard box. I suspect what's in it, but I guess we'll check it out together and see if I'm right. You can see the SIM removal tool is attached here, but I won't be removing it as those are easily lost, talking from experience. Removing everything from the box reveals my suspicions we are right. Here's a ton of paperwork and let's see what we have here. First is this thin leaflet. It's a warranty card, in English, just giving us the terms and the conditions of the warranty. We are not going to lose too much time here, so let's put it to the side till we need it. Next in line is a bit thicker leaflet. This time it's a quick start guide. It's multilingual, just showing us the basic informations and basic things you might need before you power on the device. Moving on. And here is the phone and the accessories portion of the box. We are going to take the phone out and move it to the side for now. The accessories include the earphones. These are just a normal generic kind that used to come with every phone, but now only some come with those. This is just a basic pair of stereo earphones and there is no silicone inserts for different ear canal sizes. One size fits all, I guess. You can use them or get something better that might suit your needs. The cable is pretty long and terminates with a normal 3.5mm plug. In the top portion of the cable there is a built-in microphone and a button on this piece. The button is most likely used for receiving and ending phone calls and for media control. Let's move them to the side and move on to the next item. And that being this about a foot long USB cable. It's used for charging and for data transfers. One end of the cable is almost standard by now USB Type-C connector, which you can plug any way you like. It's reversible. And the other end is an old Type-A connector, which plugs in directly into this wall adapter. The adapter supports quick charging, 15-watt variant, which will roughly give you 50% charge in about 30 to 40 minutes. Not bad. This is how everything looks assembled. The rest of the box has nothing hidden in it, so we are going to just move it to the side. The front side of the phone is covered with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED capacitive screen. Around 88% of the front side is the screen itself, there is Corning Gorilla 3 glass protection on top. The back side of the phone has this quad camera setup going for it, containing a 48 megapixel wide-angle sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and two 5 megapixel shooters. Rest of it is just this plain glass surface. Here you can see a volume rocker, which is rather clicky, and a power/lock button. On the top there is just this tiny hole. I'd say maybe a microphone here. Correct me down in the comments. The left hand side has just this SIM tray, which supports either dual SIM or single SIM and a memory card for storage expansion. Here you can see the screen again, which is pretty nice. Here you can see the screen is very reflective. There is also a single 1080p selfie camera with 32 megapixel sensor. Let's power on the device. While the device is powering on, let's talk about the phone and my impressions. I have a medium to large hands, and this device sits in my hand like a champ. But I noticed the back is very slippery, and I would definitely recommend using a case of some sort. Sadly, this phone does not come with one, so you'd have to purchase one separately. The setup process of this phone is sped up just for one reason. If you set any of the Android devices before, it's pretty much the same story across all of them. If you want to see how it's done, you can slow down the video or check one of our older videos in which we showed the full process step by step. You can find the link in the top right corner or in the video's description box. As I said, it's a very simple thing to do. You can see the navigation through the phone basic menus is very smooth and simple. That's about all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, toss us a like, share the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See ya in the next one. Zenbox out.